Hello from Colombo, Sri Lanka. It's our great pleasure to present EVA at TED Summit Asia 2021 online. Today's presentation is by founders of Exogene Software. I am Ruan Disanayaka, CEO at Exogene Software, and Tushar Rankodke, CTO at Exogene, will be presenting with me. EVA is a product by Exogene Software Private Limited, and we are in the 7th year in our software business. EVA stands for Exogene Virtual Assistant. EVA is a chatbot platform where you can generate your own chatbot very easily. EVA is especially for businesses who has a Facebook page. EVA generates chatbots for the messenger of Facebook pages, so that the customers who reach out to the business through Facebook Messenger will be responded by the generate chatbot by EVA. There are different types of virtual assistants in EVA where you can utilize according to your needs and the nature of your business. To generate chatbots with EVA, you don't need any technical knowledge, but only browsing skills will help. It's just a matter of few clicks to generate your own chatbot with EVA. We are there to help in case you need when you generate your own chatbot with EVA. EVA helps businesses in three key areas when it comes to customer relations: brand reputation, customer satisfaction, and customer loyalty. Brand reputation is about confidence by in consumers' mind. Confidence to do business with you comes through the trust. To build trust, you need to give a good customer service to your customers. Responding to customers' queries instantly on social media is an essential part to give a good customer service. With the increased number of queries through social media, it's not an easy task to respond each and every query instantly. Failing to do so can lead to damage your brand reputation. If you respond quickly to the queries meaningfully, it will help you gain the trust of your customers at the very first place and create the confidence in customer to do business with you, which will eventually increase your brand reputation. EVA can help you to automate responses and will lead to increase brand reputation of your business. Customer satisfaction is about how happy the customer is about your product and service. When you communicate with the customer instantly and meaningfully, it helps make the customer happy. Since EVA can help your business to build a meaningful conversation with the customers on social media, it will help customer feel happy about your business. Therefore, the customer satisfaction increases when you use EVA to automate responses to the customers on social media. It's obvious that there are many elements that you need to consider in building brand reputation and customer satisfaction. But if you ignore the customers who seek you through the social media, it will damage your reputation and also the customer satisfaction. When you build your brand reputation and customer satisfaction with the help of EVA, together with the other measures you take for the same, it leads to customer loyalty. It will lead to recurring business with you. EVA is a recognized product by the most reputed national awards in Sri Lanka, NBQSA and Iswabimani. NBQSA competition is conducted by the Sri Lankan section of the BCS Chartered Institute for IT over past 23 years. EVA was awarded under Business Services category at NBQSA 2020. And also, Iswabimani is organized by ICTA Sri Lanka to recognize the digital solutions that has the most social impact. Eva was recognized at eSwabmani 2020 under the category of Business and Commerce. Now you will see Eva in action with Tushara.
Let's see Eva in action. That means how Eva works in real life. In simple terms, Eva is a chat solution. Let's deep dive. Eva works around a business. It can be large, it can be small. Regardless of the size of the business, Eva can help in growing sales. It can also help in customer service. When doing marketing and promotions, Eva can help. It also can collect information and bring it out to a service desk. We are going to make a tour to a company and meet different roles in that company and see how Eva can be help collaborating with those roles. Okay. Hi, I am a sales assistant. I give solutions to customer problems. I maps out products, services with customer pain points. Okay, let's see how Eva can help. Eva. Hi, I am Eva. I can help in growing sales. I bring products, services when a customer is looking for it. I can collect information from customer and then bring that collected data to a sales desk. Thanks, Eva. Thanks, Eva. Here comes the customer. I got number of different questions. Sometimes I get angry when my questions are not being attended. Dear customer, let me take you to Eva. Dear sir, I do customer service. I can record customer inquiries and essential information. Next, I take your issue to relevant assistant in charge. Your concern is taken care of. Thank you, Eva. Let's see who comes next. Hi. I am marketing manager. During campaigns, we get spike of potential customer visits, and I need a team to guide them and convert. Okay, can you help in marketing, Eva? Yes, certainly. I can help in marketing and promotions. Let me be part of your sales funnel. I can engage with your customer, I can collect their information, and I can guide them to the next step. We need to meet someone from call center. And here he is, the call center officer. I ask customers a series of questions, sometimes same questions again and again. Okay, well, how can you help him? Hello, let me help you, officer. I can ask these questions from customers on behalf of you. I can collect their response and get back to you. Thank you, Eva. Thanks a lot for joining us today. Well, that's not all. There's a bonus. Your business may have some unique requirements. In that case, I can provide customizable solutions. Thanks, Eva. So, I hope you got the idea on how Eva works, and we invite you to visit evainmotion.com, create your profile, connect your Facebook page, and see Eva in action in real life. Thank you very much.